I am that woman. I am that woman with no big breasts or no big thighs. I am that woman with no perfect menu to present a perfect present. I am that number lust that cries on the inside and smiles on the out. I am that fatherless woman ending up falling on any man's arms just to fulfill my biological father's carelessness. I am that woman. I am that woman that got beaten and bruised. They bazothini abantu, they kuyanyamezelwa emzini. Sinabantwana babini. We've been together for a very long time. I can't leave him zawutyandoni. They told me khange ndibethwe ndiwile. If I love him strong enough, maybe he would stay. Ebenomsindo and butywala, otherwise akakho nje. Nam ndiyamcaphukisa. It's because of his past, otherwise he's a good man. Uzochintsha. I am that woman that hopes for a never coming tomorrow. I am that woman that got raped in one-shot skirts just to prove my body ain't a victim. God knows I did nothing. I am the nyamezela manyawoza umalume usezawugqiba. The hayibo yenzeke ndisemncinci kuzothwa bendithulele ntoni. The xola kaloku mntanam singabe sayithetha kuzoxhola ibhokhwe emnyama ukuhlamba inyala lekhala. The highway to it doesn't matter. I am that woman. I am that fat, unwanted, unaccepted, shapeless woman. They can't mjongeni, they can't mfazo over. I am ending up not eating no more. I eat and go vomit in private. High and ukutya just to get everyone's acceptance. I am that woman. I am that woman that married you, supported you, loved you, and gave it all to you, and yet to find me being left by you. And when I attempt to run, I am that woman. I am that woman that's always bubbly, fly, and cool, and popping. The pop on Facebook just to cover the tracks of my broken heart. I am that woman that still prays and hopes and believes in a never better day. I am every woman choosing decisions due to my hurtful past. I am that woman you would love, you would hate, you would hurt, you would want, you would need, you would sex and leave. Beyond all, I am an ordinary woman. Mama wama yo yelelema you mama ndoyiga yelelema you mama yelelema you mama yelele yelele Yelelema, you mama. Yelelema, you mama. Hey, yelele, yelele, yelelema, you mama. Yelelema.